Hook, have you ever felt overwhelmed by your finances? Stressed about bills piling up? Or maybe you just want to find ways to save more money? Well, today, we're diving into a popular financial tool that claims to help with all of that, Rocket Money. But here's the big question, is Rocket Money actually free? Let's find out. What is Rocket Money? Rocket Money is a personal finance app designed to help you manage your finances more efficiently. It offers a range of features, including bill tracking, automatically tracks your bills and payments. Budgeting, helps you create and stick to a budget. Credit monitoring, alerts you to changes in your credit score. Debt reduction, provides tools to help you pay off debt faster. Is Rocket Money free? The short answer, it depends. Basic features, many of Rocket Money's core features, like bill tracking and budgeting, are free to use. Premium features, however, if you want access to more advanced features, such as credit monitoring and debt reduction tools, you'll need to subscribe to a premium plan. Rocket Money Premium Plans. Let's break down the premium plans. Rocket Money Premium, this plan offers additional features like identity theft protection, credit score monitoring, and personalized financial advice. Rocket Money Premium Plus, this plan includes everything in the premium plan, plus access to a financial advisor. Cost of Rocket Money Premium Plans. The exact cost of the premium plans can vary depending on your location and any ongoing promotions. However, you can typically expect to pay a monthly or annual fee. Is Rocket Money Premium worth it? Whether or not Rocket Money Premium is worth the cost depends on your individual needs and financial goals. If you're serious about improving your financial situation and want access to advanced features, the premium plans might be a good investment. However, if you're just looking for a basic tool to track your bills and budget, the free version might be sufficient. Alternatives to Rocket Money. Before you decide to subscribe to Rocket Money Premium, it's a good idea to explore some of the alternatives available. There are plenty of other personal finance apps and tools out there, some of which may offer similar features at a lower cost. Tips for using Rocket Money effectively. To get the most out of Rocket Money, whether you're using the free or premium version, here are a few tips. Connect your accounts, link your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial accounts to Rocket Money to get a complete picture of your finances. Set realistic goals. Establish clear financial goals, such as paying off debt or saving for a down payment. Track your spending. Regularly review your spending habits to identify areas where you can cut back. Take advantage of the tools. Use Rocket Money's budgeting tools, debt reduction calculators, and other features to help you achieve your financial goals. Conclusion. So, to answer the question we posed at the beginning, is Rocket Money free? The answer is yes, for basic features. However, if you want access to more advanced features, you'll need to subscribe to a premium plan. Whether or not Rocket Money Premium is worth the cost depends on your individual needs and financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.